Hi, I'm Derek from European Gutters. We often get the question, how do I cut the outlet? Today we're going to show you how to use a template for the Lindab system. Okay, so we're going to make our mark here where we want our outlet. And on the template, we've got a notch on the back of it that you can line up, and that'll give you the center of the outlet. So now we're going to flip this over. And we're going to be tracing the inner dimension of this like so. Now these are your lines for drawing, for cutting your tabs. And basically what these tabs are going to do is allow the water to flow into the outlet. So these lines that we're drawing here are going to be your cut marks for those tabs that you're going to be bending. Now we've got a step bit here. We're going to drill 2 holes. These holes are relief cuts, so you can get your snips in here to start the cut. Now we're going to be cutting to this line here. I'm just cutting out the shape. Now we're going to take our snips and we're going to cut where we've drawn these black lines. Now we're going to take some pliers and we're going to start bending these tabs, not quite 90. Now we're going to take our outlet, we're going to roughly center it over this opening that you've done, clicking it in place, and then we're going to lock this tab down. Now you can see where these tabs allow the water to flow into the outlet.